The suspense is terrible, I hope it will last. A little nonsense, now and then, is relished by the wisest men. Time is a precious thing. Never waste it. There's no earthly way of knowing which direction we are going. Everything in this room is edible. Even I'm edible. But that would be called cannibalism. It is looked down upon in most societies. We have so much time and so little to see. Invention is 93% perspiration, 6% inspiration, 3% perspiration, and 2% butterscotch ripple. Want to change the world? There's nothing to it. Oh, you should never, never doubt what nobody is sure about. Don't forget what happened to the man who suddenly got everything he wanted. He lived happily ever after.